Hello, dear students. This is your Professor Lázaro Pino. And today we are having the lesson number 3 about the nouns in English. What is a noun in English? Well, a noun is just a name of something or somebody. For example, people. People are living beings. For example, Ron, lion, teacher, Ronnie, dancer. But also a noun is the name of things, non-living things. For example, apple, bag, tomato, chair, computer. Also, a noun is the name of a place. For example, school, college, city, country, museum. And also we can express emotions, feelings like love, hate, amazement, and all these are nouns. We can speak about English, history, mathematics. All of them are subjects and also are nouns. Nouns could be activities, the names of activities like dancing, singing, running, swimming, or concepts and ideas, democracy, election, and so on. Or qualities like honesty, beauty, brave, and so on. The nouns could be common or proper. Common nouns are for non-specific people, places, or things or idea. For example, man, city, or religion. But a proper noun is for specific people, places, or things. For example, Albert Einstein, London. Abstract noun are something that you cannot perceive with your five senses. For example, belief, love, pride, happiness. And a concrete noun is something that you can perceive with your five senses. For example, an apple, a lion, eyes, flowers. Some of them can be seen, some of them can be listened, or some of them can be tasted or smelled. But nouns could be countable or uncountable. Countable noun is that one that can be counted. For example, one pencil, two pencils, one apple, three apples. Or uncountable noun when they cannot be counted. For example, milk. You cannot say one milk or two milk. You can say a lot of milk or a little. Music, food, water, snow, and rice also are uncountable nouns. Compound nouns are those that are made up of two or more smaller words. For example, textbook is made of text and book. Snowball is made of snow and ball, and so on. And a collective noun refers to a group of things as one whole. For example, bunch. You can say group, You can say family. All them represent a group of people or things. Singular nouns refer to one person, one place, one thing, one idea. For example, cat, dog, ship, monkey, hero. Or plural nouns that are when we refer to more than one person, place, things, or ideas. For example, dogs, cats, and so on. How can we make the plural of the nouns? Well, in general, we add an S to the singular. For example, car, cars, desk, desks, hand, hands, and so on. But if the noun ends in O, we add yes. Potato, potatoes. Hero, heroes. If the noun ends in one of these consonants, then you have to add es, and the sound and the es sounds is. For example, bus, buses, dish, dishes. And so nouns end in O, only we add an S because they come from other languages. For example, photo, photos, piano, pianos, and so on. In the case of the nouns that end in F or FE, we change by this. For example, thief, thieves, half, halves. If the noun ends in "-ife", we replace the F by B and we add is. For example, wife, wives, knife, knives, life, lives. But there are some words ending in F and we add only an S. These are ribs, roofs, chefs. For common noun ending in with with a consonant like Y, we change the Y by I and we add the ES if the Y is preceded by a consonant. For example, nappy, nappies. But sometimes if there is a vowel sound before the I, we only add an S. There are some nouns that have the same form for the singular and the plural. Here you have some of them. Fish, fish, sheep, sheep, deer, deer. And there are some nouns that some letters are replaced or added. For example, person, people, ox, oxen, child, children, goose, geese, man, man, foot, feet. Well, the nouns are almost always preceded by an article. The article could be a or and if we are talking about, if, for example, singular countable nouns. For example, we say a cat, a bird, a child, a doctor, a house. But we use an if the noun begins with a vowel sound, like an apple, an egg, an ant, an hour, an ant. And we use the in front of all the nouns. It does not matter whether the nouns are singular, plural, countable, or uncountable. To describe someone or something specific, unique. Then we are talking in this case for proper nouns, like a or an are used for common nouns. For example, the earth, the world, the air, the weather, the moon, the president, and so on. Well, here you have an exercise. I want you to stop the video at any time and do this in your homework. Here you have to write the singular or the plural for each of these nouns. And here you have to write a or an in front of these nouns. Well, that's all for today. I hope you have learned something about the nouns in English.